Hey guys, this is Manav. Welcome to Movie Shovi. Okay, let's just very quickly do a review of the new Netflix series called The Zero Chill. The attempt today is to basically share whether this new teenage drama is any different and if it is worth any of your time. Now, first of all, let me tell you a very important thing, that is this teenage drama is centered on two very critical, highly engaging sports, which is ice skating and ice hockey, which also promises to have a very high potential drama behind the curtains, as we have seen in other series as well. Anyways, in Zero Chill, we will see the story of twin Kayla and Mac. Both of them are in love with the ice sport. While Kayla is an ice skater, but her brother loves ice hockey and is an avid player in Canada. For her, the rink is where she feels alive, where she can really fly. For Mac, it is a battlefield where he tries to prove himself against the opponent and his teammates. So basically, Kayla and Mac both creates magic on the ice, but their approaches to the sport is very different and poles apart. So one day, Mac gets an opportunity to move to UK to pursue his career in his dream sport, that is ice hockey. As I told you, the family moves from Canada to England so that Mac can pursue his career very effectively with a lot of training. Meanwhile, Kayla has to accept that her dreams will be shattered, will not be realized, as she has left her partner in Canada, with whom she had an ultimate chemistry on the ice. Now from here on, the sports takes a backseat, and what we notice in this Zero Chill Netflix series is the usual team drama and many themes on how families come together to support each other is something which is visible. Now post moving from Canada to UK, the story is very boring, and it's a usual affair of friendship, teenage issues, winning, losing and then winning it back. The gravity of the situation is missing, and unnecessary fights and misunderstanding between the characters are almost irritating. The story is basically a constant rut or a cycle of characters seems to have problems with each other, and when you approach to that person to resolve that problem, suddenly there is a moment later on wherein the problem reoccurs or there is another problem with that person. Therefore, the story literally doesn't move and it refuses to move forward in a very meaningful manner. The cast did not add any spice to the roles and made it very bland, while I can also say that the creative writing is to be blamed for this ordinary show. The dialogues are lifeless, but visually the production quality is good, specifically when the sports is on. So on an overall basis, guys, I think my movie Shovi score would be just a C. Stories which involves a lot of sports and exciting sports like ice hockey and ice skating, that should be filled with a lot of excitement and drama. But this ice is actually melted, and therefore Zero Chill doesn't give any chills. See you again with another review very soon, hopefully with a better series or movie. Till then, don't forget to subscribe the channel with all notifications on. Bye.